For sure here, I would start out just hoping for the best, right? They want the solution. I'm going to hope that 2 is the answer, right? So 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 2 is equal to 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3. No, 6 is not 7. So that takes 2 seconds to check, right? Algebra aside, I'm doing that in my head. All right, so that doesn't work. Now what? Well, a bunch of things we can do. Let's just do 2x squared minus 2 equals 2x plus 3. We get 2 answers. They're both messy decimals, but then it's just a matter of matching those messy decimals, right? So 2.15 and negative 1.15. So I would just go through the choices and see. 1 minus the square root of 11 is negative 2.3, right? So that's not the same thing as that, not the same thing as that. So that doesn't work. How about 1/2? So 0.5 plus the square root of 11. 3.8, no, that's not on that list, right? That was 2 point something, 2.1. So that doesn't work. So let's double check here. So I'll throw some parentheses around so it's easy to divide. 1 plus square root of 11 and divided by 2. 2.158. 2.158. Same thing, good enough, right? They want you to do quadratic formula here. You probably could, but you would also have to rearrange this equation from the start to get it into quadratic format, to get it into standard form. Just seems like unnecessary work. And just the fact that B, C, and D are so similar to each other tells me, like, I don't know, it's maybe easy to lose something, a negative, distribute wrong, whatever. I just don't want to take that chance. So Desmos just lets me see some numbers. Yeah, they're messy numbers, but I'm just then comparing a string of random numbers and decimals and just kind of seeing what matches.